It's so humid it don't even need fucking walls. Good morning guys, what's up, what's happening, what's going on? How's tricks? Welcome to, I have no idea actually. Where are we? Welcome to a parish in Nairobi. We are going to mass and I'm wearing shorts.
I am too.
Which isn't really custom, so me and Joe are changing into pants.
Lack of respect.
It's a lack of respect to Holy God. So, look how crazy this is. They have like security checks for going into mass. We are rocking the colours. Okay, shows. What? The keys are in my pocket and we've been asked to move the car. And Joe's fucking pants are broke. Focus on that close.
Glorious.
Right.
No, just pull it down.
Vomit. Oh.
Oh, we're in business.
We got that.
We don't even stand out. So, we're here. We're rocking the colours.
Just back from Ireland, where I had a small accident just before I came. So excuse me, it's nice to be back. And I will tell you more about my situation after the homily or after communion. But I'd also like to introduce some visitors that you see around today. They're very strange. There are 4 people from Ireland. They are my niece, and my 3 nephews. So you give them a warm welcome. Thank you.
Tunakutukuza
wanted to say bye-bye to you for some time. I was on holidays in Ireland. While I was there, I was elected onto the leadership team in our province. So I will be leaving Kenya the week after next, and I'll be away for about 6 years at least. But I wanted to say thank you to you, to all the people here who have been supporting SMA in this parish all through the years. And I know we have set up Friends of SMA.
Look at this, there's another mass waiting to get in. So 2-hour mass. And there's another one about to start. So that's why there's a big crowd waiting. So yeah, that was sick. Singing is so good.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning. Morning. Morning.
I thought it was very good. The choir was lovely. And it was very cold, that was the only thing.
Are you cold?
I left this in the car, yeah, it was cold. I had goosebumps through the whole thing.
Fuck sake. What are you thinking, Will?
I'm thinking I'm hungry as fuck, so let's get some food. The mass was good.
Mass was good.
Singing was good. Dancing was good.
That's so good.
I felt awkward, like, because I was just going like...
What do you think, Joe?
I thought it was very good enough. Nice mass.
You liked it?
I did like it.
So this is Bernadette. She is one of the sisters. So she's showing us into the house. It's one of the SMA houses here. For a bit of tea and a banana or something. So we're just going chilling here for a while. Chat with people and stuff. And then at about 2 o'clock we will go to the airport. And then we were flying to Mombasa. William didn't sleep great, huh? Because mosquito. Mosquito.
I didn't get bitten though.
Oh, did I? I didn't get bitten. I didn't.
Michael, they want to know why you are so fond of coming to the information house. Why you like coming there? Explain.
Because we are part of this.
No, it's because of all the boys that are there.
Ah.
That'd be true. Because we are also SMA. We're part of the SMA family.
Ah.
Oh, we are.
That's all good, please.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
What's up, guys? Ah. So guys, just to kill some time until we eat later on, we are going out to a graveyard to visit the grave of an SMA priest that died some time ago.
That was murdered.
So this was
John Hannon,
John Hannon.
who was in this parish as parish priest, and he was killed here, murdered by thieves, or nobody knows who they were, and he's buried in this grave. But he built this church, and he built many churches in Nigeria, very fine building, and this was sad end for his life. But it was found dead, or he was found dead next morning, yeah.
So this is where he lived.
This is where he lived, yeah.
Anyone live in it?
Oh yeah, the new parish priest.
So this is where they broke into or whatever.
They broke in. Well, he came down, it seemed, and looked out some window, and as he was looking out the window, someone hit him in the head, and that's how they killed him.
Did you have enemies or?
They dragged him out here. I'll show you where they killed him. They didn't have any money. They just killed him, took him away and killed him. So it's killed him and left him out here. No one has ever been got for it. Nobody.
No one's ever been caught.
Who is from Ireland?
Us three.
You are from Ireland?
Yeah.
Ireland, yeah.
And you?
Ireland as well.
And you?
Ireland, yes.
Oh, good people, good people.
Yeah.
You are good people.
Good.
Yeah, you see what he did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sunday school.
Yeah.
You see the baby in the chair with the blue.
The old big football. Well, Shani Bashkul. I do apologise, the camera died, the battery died. So, we are packing in the car park. The airport is only 20 minutes down the road, half an hour. We're looking forward to Mombasa greatly because it's supposed to be quite good. It'll be very, very warm. We are away. Reactions. It's very warm. Very, very warm. It's so humid, it don't even need fucking walls.
This is Jack.
Hello, sir. Oh, yeah. It has to be one of the best airport experiences ever.
Oh my god. Talk about quick and
Talk about chill, yeah. He dropped his money when he was receiving it from the man in the window with the arm. Yeah, how about you, my friend?
Zuri.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, very good,
My name
thank
is
you.
Justice.
Justice?
Yeah.
I'm Kate.
Okay.
And Jack.
We are
Jack.
mother and sister.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome.
Mosquito nets, the essentials. Jersey's doing up. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah, they can't see it on the camera, but the sea is like right here.
You can hear it.
I don't know who's looking after Anton, but fuck him. He probably fell over somewhere. Starts here, and he was saying, you see like camels just walking up and down the beach. Can't even look at that. Imagine doing a time lapse of that. Oh, cool. So you can sit here and look out.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo guys, we are just back from Yules.
Like you, Brunner.
Yules. Yules, very nice. Got a sweet ass pizza. Good night, Kate.
Good night, Jack.
Ciao, Kate.
Ciao, Jack.
Say there, Joe. Don't forget I'm a YouTuber. Much love to Faith. I'll chat to you guys tomorrow. Do you want to click?
I have click if you want me to click.
Okay.
You can pat me down, or can I just take it away?
Just take it away.
Okay. I'll do it when you least expect it.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, but I'm not doing it. I'm gonna, like, we're still live.
Why?
Do it again. I just want to make it look bad.
I'll do slow motion.
Okay, we'll go with that one, so.